Hello, and in this tutorial for this video, I'll be showing you how to get the Cuphead finger pointer thing, and even become Cuphead. Not become Cuphead, but you know what I mean. So, get a revolver, and this one's empty because I just did the glitch. But then get a piece of goop. Do not attach it to the revolver. Now, get a second item, stick something, because like waste of money. And if that happens, just grab another one. Put it on. Put the revolver on. And go over here and type in your code. Pick up the goop, put it back on, put the gun back on, and keep doing it. You gotta make sure you can't see it on your finger. This tiny. Yep. And take the goop, put it back in. Do not bring your revolver with you, no matter what, when you go do this. Take out the goop. I don't know why I have goop in here, but it'll be normal size. And just so you guys know, I'm not tripping. Like, I'm not trying to get you to do this with your red items. All the goop. All normal size. And actually, I'm gonna use all this goop. More essentials. So take the revolver somewhere you can probably see it. Maybe right here. Alright. Now, if you want to do like a more powerful, you know, because it's Cuphead, more powerful one, you can do the same thing with a shotgun. And a boom spear. And, yeah. I'm going to put them after. Put these two back, but I'm gonna get a flare. Right here's all of them. And I'm gonna show you how they work. So, like, yeah, that's that. I don't really like the shotgun, but alright, we're gonna save my favorite too. And I'm gonna go ahead and go into the lake to show you how it works.
Knockout! 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 Knockout!
Let's see if it'll save. Oh! Called the backver. I'll call it that, backver. Nothing on it though. Clear the pad first. Large revolver. Revolver. A large backpack will level up. Oh. There's two items grouped together. Man, how did they update that today already? But, this can instantly teleport. There's no way they already updated that. The Rev Pearl. Alright. For me. Let's see if it actually works. Oh, it doesn't work.